Hello, it's Ness Tilson here. In this video I'm going to show how to use the Quick Design Structures library. The Structures library contains different styles for assembling framed panels. This library applies a structure to a specific panel. To see this library we go to Libraries, Panel Structures. Now this library works a little different than the others. The library commands are limited to delete, copy, paste and rename. There's no big plus sign so that we can create new structure styles or modify an existing library structure directly from this dialog box. To apply a structure, we first have to copy the structure by clicking the copy button. We then close the dialog box, select a panel where we want to apply the structure, click right, and in the menu click paste to the structure. It's easy to apply the same structure to another panel just by selecting it, clicking right and clicking paste the structure. In 3D we can see that our two doors now have a frame and panel structure. In the Panel Structures library there are quick design structures named Zero Frame. These elements use quick design bars so that it's possible to edit the framing by editing the bar materials. Let's see how this works. Let's apply Zero Frame All -010/UCB-020 to our project. This means all framing is in 010 bars except for the upper crossbar or the upper rail, which is in 020 bars. Let's copy this element and let's paste it onto our two doors here. Let's change the width of the upper crossbar or the upper rail. I go to the Libraries, Bar Materials. I know my upper rail is in 0 bar 20 and let's change its width to 140. To edit a structure we must use the Properties Assembly Edit menu. Let's say we want to add an intermediary rail and an arc to the upper rail of these doors. I'll go into the Cabinet Edit mode, select a door. In the Properties menu go to Assembly, open up the options and click Edit. In the upper crossbar section and in Curves I'm going to add an arc. And in Intermediary crossbar section I'm going to type in 1. And when I click OK, our structure has been updated. Let's now just copy this structure onto the other door. I go over my door and click right. In the menu copy the structure, go over to the second door, select it, go to Assembly, delete the existing structure, click right and in the menu paste the new structure. We now have two doors with intermediary crossbar and an arc on the upper rail. To add this new structure to the Panel Structure library, I also have to use the Property Assembly Edit menu. I have to go back into Cabinet Edit mode, go over to the Assembly menu and open the options. In the options I have here Add Structure to Library. I can give this structure a name. Let's call it 0-frame/all-010/UCB-020/rail times 3. When I click OK, the structure is added to the library, and if I look in Libraries Panel Structures, I will now see my rail times 3. And this structure can now be copied, and I can paste it onto the other panels in my project.